This video is sponsored by BuyMote e-shopping mobile app. This app is used to purchase all your household grocery products at a very competitive rate. Welcome to Digital Learners channel. In this video, let us see how to add a neon glow effect in your hosting your website builder. First, I go to google.com and type hosting here. I click on that. I click on the first website. Now the hosting panel has been opened. On the right hand side, I log in using my email details. On the left hand side, I click on websites list. I scroll down. Here I click on the website which is built using the hosting your website panel. I click on edit website. Now my website has been opened. Here in the blank section, I am going to add a effect. For this, I go to menu, add elements. I scroll down and drag and drop the embed code into the blank section. I close this window. I adjust the position of the code and click on enter code. Here I delete the default code and copy and paste the code which is on the notepad. Now I click on embed code. Now the text effort is not displayed to us. For this, I click on delete and press press Z in the keyboard. Now the effort has been successfully added to the blank section. I adjust the width and height of the section. I click on preview to see the changes. So this is how our website looks now. Now I am going to add a own text. For this, I go back to the editor. Now I click on the effect and click on enter code. Now I am going to change the neon glow effect to delete the code and type look for quality products and click on embed code. Now the glitter effect has been added partially. I click on enter code again. Copy the look for quality products again and replace the neon glow effect to the copied one. Now I click on embed code. Now you can see our glitter effect has been successfully added. I adjust the width and height of the section. When everything is okay, here I edit the code and change the font size to 50 pixels. Here I change the font size to 50 and click on embed code. Now everything looks perfect. Finally I click on update website. Now the changes has been successfully published and this is how our website looks now. Thank you.